Your good name is?
My name is Wing Commander Soma.
Wing Commander Soma.
Yeah, so I retired from Air Force, 22 years of service.
Okay.
So basically, I just want to thank you for a wonderful product which you have brought, basically, which is helping millions of people in very critical disease. So I just want to talk about my mother-in-law.
Okay.
So basically, she is Miss Shamanta.
How old
Yeah, she is around 67 years. She is diagnosed with high creatine. So the creatine levels had reached 6.8, and then she had to, the doctors in Apollo Hospital advised us that we should go for dialysis. So initially they started the dialysis for once in a week, and then subsequently it went into every 3 days. And then the stage came when they said that she needed dialysis every day. So they found that she was getting, there were a lot of water getting accumulated in her lungs, because they found that the kidneys are not functioning, and they declared that both the kidneys have stopped working, due to which there's huge amount of water accumulation, and due to which the only way to save her was dialysis. So we continued daily dialysis to her in Apollo Hospital, Rajajinagar, that is Malleshwaram, and then we subsequently shifted to Suguna Hospital, because the costs were going up. So we shifted there, and then we continued with the dialysis. So it was a very painful process, because every day 6 hours she was spending on the dialysis machine itself, and then she comes back to the room. We had a ward there, but then she has no life. She was just lying down there. She was actually an eye diabetic patient, due to which she lost her. You can say she went into a stage where she couldn't even recognize her children, grandchildren, everybody. She just was very.
She was actually bedridden, and then she was not able to recognize us also. And then, but she used to remember.
Your mother.
Yeah, she's my mother. She used to remember all of us, but when we go in front of her, like she was not able to
recognize us.
Okay.
So then we requested our son, who is an geriatric expert in UK. He is practicing in Wales there. So we requested him, you come down, because the situation is not good here. So he flew down to India. He saw her condition. After 3-4 days, when he saw that every day she has to undergo this 6 hours of dialysis, being a doctor, he said that at UK, when we see a patient at this level, what we generally do is we tell them, we call all the relatives and then tell them that this is the state. We cannot continue like this, because it's bad for the patient. It's not good for the patient to continue like this. So we help them that, okay, you stop the dialysis, and maybe she may pass off within a week or 2 weeks, depending on her own this thing. So he was recommending similar thing, that maybe we cannot see my mother suffering like this. So let us also think in that level. So we planned that, okay, we will discuss with the doctors who are treating her in India. So we had a time of a week or so, because we were waiting for the doctor to come back. He had gone for some conference. So we said, okay, let her be at home and let us continue with daily dialysis. We'll take a call after a week.
So every day we used to take her in the ambulance to the hospital, get her dialyzed, and in the ambulance only she used to come back. And then the whole day after the dialysis, she used to be lying on the bed only. So we used to feed her little bit food and all those things. But the state was like this, like she was not active, never, like it was like she was not able to recover from.
She was totally bedridden, and in fact she had developed all the bed sores and all those things. So it was a very painful state. So I had actually come through, I came across Miracle Drink article in one of the newspaper, and then subsequently I had gone through various YouTube videos, especially of your talks on the YouTube. So I just told my brother-in-law that since everything is over, we have decided that maybe we may not be able to continue further. So let us try this. Maybe we'll see something, maybe or not maybe. So let us take a call. So he said, okay, if there's a final this thing, so let us try that also. So we came here to the Miracle Drink office here, and when we met Mr. Arish, and we spoke to him because that day you were not there here. So when he understood the whole this thing, then he said, sir, you try this, because anyway you have taken a decision that maybe we may not go with dialysis. Let us try this once. So we took the Miracle Drink. Then we started giving her the dose as per whatever was given here. The diets were not.
We were
Whatever-
there for dialysis, like whatever the allopathic medications was there, we were continuing that. Along with that, we were giving this Miracle Drink morning and in the evening,
Okay.
both the times.
For the times, and because it was a 3-time this thing, so all the 3 times we religiously followed it. And to our surprise, within a week, she had excess urine flow, which the doctors were telling that she is not having a urine flow of not even 50 ml. So from there, she had excess urine flow, and my brother-in-law himself, who was a doctor, was monitoring her, and he said that there's definitely something which is changed. And as I said, that since we were waiting for the doctor to come back from conference, it was just 2 days before that, and she started actually sitting on the bed, and she started even moving. She felt that no, I can walk around, and I would like to go to the bathroom myself. So it was a big change, and it was in fact a miracle for us. So we waited for the doctor to come, and when we tested her creatinine levels, it had come down to 3.7 or 3.8
From 6.5.
from 6 points. So the doctor said it's a very nice this thing, whatever has happened, it's good. Though we didn't inform, in fact, I'm very frankly to tell you, because we couldn't dare to tell the doctor that yes, we are trying with an alternate medicine. So we said, it's anyway good, sir. So you suggest us what to be done. He said, let us continue for another 3-4 days on daily dialysis. Then I will do one more test. So once of the renal functional test is completed, then I will take a call. And within another 3-4 days, our level came down to 2.8. So he said that let us move on to alternate days. Because he said we cannot stop it immediately, so let us do alternate days. And from alternate days, he came to once in 3 days. And then from once in 3 days to weekly once. And to tell you very frankly that, sir, he has told that let us stop the dialysis itself, because our creatinine level is as low as now 1.7.
Great. Really great.
So her last dialysis was on December 9th. So after that, we have not gone through any dialysis.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So actually they had put a permanent fixture, that is the
fistula.
For dialysis. But later on, because of that infection, she was getting fever. So they said that foreign body should not be there. So so they removed that also. Now she is fine. She is on her own. She takes care of herself. So thanks for this Miracle Drink.
Wonderful.
Thank you, my friend.